Subscribe to the channel to hear more audio stories.
The noise of the breath should not be considered as a bell. We should not be considered arrested from within. This does not mean to remove it from the reset. No wall should be considered a wall. I look at it. In another respect, I should not be considered a supporter of the world. This land is like a paper boat. I sit down. If the bar is not understood, he has a habit of sleeping in a dense tree. The moon should not be considered awake. He does not stick to his words. His refusal should not be considered denial.